Hello everyone, welcome to MATLAB Simulink Essentials. In this video, we will see the simulation for half-bridge inverter, and for that we will use several components present in the library browser. This is the circuit diagram for half-bridge inverter, and we will do the connections similar to this circuit diagram. Here we will be using two MOSFETs, MOSFET 1 and MOSFET 2. Let us start with DC voltage source. Change here the amplitude to 50 volts. Copy this block and make another DC voltage source. So here also we will keep the amplitude as 50 volts. Now take the MOSFET present in the specialized power system library. Open this block and remove this measurement port as it is not required. Rotate this block using Ctrl+R and connect this drain terminal to this positive end of this supply side. So we will rename here this block as S1 for switch 1. Copy this block. Connect this source terminal to the negative side of this voltage source. Now take series RLC branch. We will consider here a resistive type of load with resistance of 100 ohms. Now connect this load according to the circuit diagram. Let us take voltage measurement block so as to measure the voltage across this load side and the supply side. Copy this block and connect it across the supply side as well. Now take the scope block to view the waveforms. Change here the number of input ports to 2. And now connect these terminals or connect these signals, and we can give here the name to each signal. Now take a pulse generator block. Open this block, and here we will change this period to 20 milliseconds if we are going to consider the frequency of 50 Hz. So we can write this period as 1 divided by 50 Hz. We will change this pulse width to 50% because we want this switch S1 to conduct for 50% of the time, and we will not apply any phase delay for this switch S1. So now connect this pulse generator block to this gate terminal of the switch S1. Copy this block and now make some changes here. Now we want that this switch S2 should conduct in the negative half cycle. So we will give here the phase delay as 10 milliseconds. And finally connect this pulse generator block to this gate terminal of the switch S2. Now take the power guide block, which is required for the simulation of these components, and change here the simulation type to discrete. Save the simulation. Let us consider the stop time as 0.08 seconds. So now save the changes and run the simulation. Open the scope block. So this is our input voltage, which is 100 volts, and this second waveform is is representing our output voltage across the load side, which is in the form of square wave. So here in this output voltage waveform, our output voltage is varying from plus 50 volts to minus 50 volts. Now if we consider this much duration from 0 to 10 milliseconds, so during this period our switch S1 will be conducting and current will flow through this closed loop. Now if we consider this time duration from 10 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds, the switch S1 will get turned off and the switch S2 will get turned on. So during this period, current will flow through this lower loop and direction of current flowing through this load will get reversed. So it will flow from this lower supply voltage to this load, and then from this switch S2 this current will come again back to the supply side. So that's all from this video. Check out the description box for the quiz and do answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Start Scratch, and do check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.